Looking to brighten up your home with a modern touch? A picture window might just be what you need. But what exactly is a picture window and where should you install one? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in this video today. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're diving into the world of picture windows. We'll explain what they are, where to install them, alternatives, and key considerations to help you make the best decision for your home. A picture window is a large fixed pane window that doesn't open. It's designed to provide an unobstructed view of the outdoors, almost like a picture frame for your landscape. Picture windows let in a lot of natural light, making any room feel more spacious and connected to the outside world. So you may be asking, where should you put a picture window in your home? Here's some great spots that you can consider. First up, the living room. This is often the heart of the home where everyone gathers. A picture window here can make a huge difference. Imagine flooding the room with natural light. It makes the space feel bigger and more inviting. Plus, if you have a nice view, it's like having a live painting on your wall. It also naturally becomes the room's focal point, perfect for arranging your furniture around. A picture window can offer stunning views and make the room feel more serene. But privacy is key here. You might want to add curtains or blinds to give yourself some cover at night. You also want to think about where to place it in a bedroom. Facing a private backyard or garden is ideal. It's peaceful without compromising your privacy. And if you're worried about light disrupting your sleep, blackout curtains can be a lifesaver. Kitchens. A picture window here can really open up the space, making it feel larger and more cheerful. Cooking becomes so much more enjoyable when you can look out at your garden or watch the kids play outside. Just remember, since picture windows don't open, you'll need to make sure you have good ventilation from other sources to keep the kitchen fresh. Choosing the right spot for your picture window can transform your home. Think about where natural light and views will enhance your daily life the most. So while picture windows are awesome, they might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Let's look at some great alternatives. Have you ever considered a bay window? It's like a picture window, but with a little extra flair. Bay windows have a big central pane and smaller side windows that can open. This gives you a cozy nook, perfect for a window seat or some extra storage. Plus, the side windows let in fresh air, something a picture window can't do. Then there are bow windows. These are similar to bay windows but have more panels, creating a gentle curve. They let in tons of light from different angles, making your space feel even brighter. Bow windows look fantastic in both modern and traditional homes and can really boost your curb appeal. Plus, since all the panels can open, you get great ventilation too. Large casement windows might be just what you need if you want both a great view and fresh air. These windows swing open like doors, offering full ventilation. When closed, they give you a large, unobstructed view like a picture window. And they're super energy efficient because they seal tightly. Each of these alternatives offers something unique, so think about what matters most to you, whether it's ventilation, extra space, or a unique design. Alright, let's break down the pros and cons of picture windows to help you decide if they're the right choice for your home. First, the views. Picture windows offer stunning, uninterrupted views. Whether you're looking out over a garden, a cityscape, or the ocean, it's like having a living painting right in your home. Second, natural light. These windows let in a ton of sunlight, which can make your space feel bright and welcoming. It's great for reducing your need for artificial lighting during the day. Since picture windows don't open, there are fewer parts that can break or need repair. It's mostly just about keeping the glass clean. Let's look at some cons. Lack of ventilation. On the flip side, the biggest con is ventilation. Picture windows don't open, so you'll need other windows or doors to get fresh air flowing through your home. Another consideration is privacy. With large, unobstructed views, you might need to add curtains or blinds to ensure you have the privacy you need, especially in bedrooms and bathrooms. So picture windows can be a fantastic addition to your home, but it's important to weigh these pros and cons based on your specific needs and lifestyle. Picture windows come in various sizes and shapes to fit different needs and styles. Standard sizes range from 2 feet to 8 feet wide, and they can be custom made to fit larger spaces. Shapes can be rectangular, square, arcs, or even circular, offering great flexibility in design. Interested in adding a picture window to your home? Or maybe you're considering a remodel? Well, be sure to check out our ultimate home remodeling guide linked above, where we help you make sure you get the look you love without the hassle. Thank you so much for hanging out and learning about picture windows today. For more insights into the latest in home improvement solutions, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.